Do you think grunge fashion is outdated? Wrong. With just one flannel shirt, I'll show you 5 killer outfit ideas to make you the center of attention at any concert. Each style has its own unique vibe that you can't miss. Watch till the end because the final look will surprise you.
The world moves on, but I'm still stuck. Chasing a dream that's out.
The first style, grunge basics, is a simple yet timeless combination. Layer an oversized flannel shirt over a black crop top or graphic tee. Add distressed denim shorts for comfort and edge. Complete the look with fishnet tights and a pair of Dr. Martens. The ultimate grunge vibe.
Fading out in the mirror's light, dressed in sorrow, lost in the night. My soul's a mess, but my style's on fire.
If you love breaking the rules, go for rebel chic. Turn your flannel shirt into an oversized mini dress. Add a leather belt to cinch the waist and create a bold focal point. Pair it with combat boots to complete the rebellious vibe. And don't forget a chunky chain necklace for that extra rock star edge.
Wearing thin, I scream for change, but it's all the same. A broken record playing my name. For me to fit in to play the part.
The third style, street vibes, is perfect for those who love a mix of energy and grunge. Throw a flannel shirt over an oversized hoodie and pair it with black joggers. Add white sneakers to balance the casual and edgy elements. A bucket hat will make you stand out in every frame.
My soul's a mess, but my style's on fire. Caught in the chaos I don't desire.
Want to try something soft yet still grunge? Go for soft grunge. Layer your flannel over a silky slip dress. Pair it with combat boots to balance femininity and rebellion. A small crossbody bag will complete this outfit perfectly.
I'm still here, worn out clothes and forgotten fear. I'm stuck in this fashion, stuck in this pain, trying to find myself.
Finally, try combining grunge with sophistication in urban sophistication. Wear a flannel shirt over a black turtleneck and skinny jeans. Add an oversized blazer for an elevated touch. Pair with ankle boots, and you'll look like a true fashionista.
Caught in the chaos I don't desire.
These are 5 grunge fashion-inspired outfits with a flannel shirt that you can try right now. Which style is your favorite? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and follow so you won't miss more amazing styling tips. See you in the next video.